Hello, welcome. Well, today we are going to learn choreography to the song of Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are. So let's dance together. So let's start with the first part of our choreography. So it will be the first stanza. So we will start our choreography standing opposite to each other. Yeah. So in opposite corners of the hall. So first, I'm going to show you the steps for the man. So we stay opposite to each other. The music starts 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 5, we start with right leg forward. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, we grab the lady with left hand and I turn her through right arm. The man stays in one place. And the hand is just leading the lady, and we wind her to ourselves. Alright, so maybe I'll show you once more the steps for the man. 1, 2, 3, 4, right leg, 5, 6, 7, grab, turn. We stay in one place, the lady goes, and now my left hand leads the lady outside. She winds. And we grab the lady in this way. And now for the ladies. Well, actually, we just react what the partner is doing, and we start on 5. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter if we start with right or left leg. So maybe let's start with right one. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So on each beat, we take a step. On 8, the man grabs the lady on her right hand. The man turns us and we turn through our right arm at the same time, like this. And we walk behind the man's back. The moment the man winds us outside and we land in such a basket. So we land in such a position. Alright, now maybe we'll show you in this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. We stay here. Then we turn the lady. She goes around the man. Like this. Hop. Winding the lady. Hop. And we grab the lady in this way. So we had, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. On 1, the lady meets the man. And then we will have a gesture with our hand. The man let the left hand go on lady's arm. And the lady can make a round gesture with her arm. Alright. Or she can just look at the man, hop. Alright, on 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on 8, we grab the lady's hips. On 8, the lady's hands are free. We do not hold the man. Alright, once more. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we will have such a wave to the side. The lady goes right and the man left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on 8, we are turned. And now a short explanation of a wave. So first, head goes. So, head, tap, head, tap, head, tap, hop, and bump. And now back to you. So look, we start with a head, but we finish with a hip. So head, hip. If right leg is step, left hip is to the side. And here the same. Right? So we go. So the lady makes first wave on right leg. Let's have a look. So right, left, tap. We may look at each other and look. Hop and tap. So we are just passing our places. So we had a disco waves. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 7, 8, the lady finishes the wave and faces the man. So first we are back, then the wave, and we face each other. So 7, 8. We will show you. So we have 7, 8, and the man goes forward. Left leg forward. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a basic step of a disco samba. The lady starts with right leg forward, man left one, and we will go to each other like this. Tap, from each other, tap, to each other, tap, and from each other, tap. Well, the step is putting toes, but without body weight. So the same leg I start with, and then I get back with other one. All right, I can't change my body weight. So we had 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 5, 6, the man goes left leg, and his right hand goes behind the lady. So let's have a look. Step, tap, and going back, the man goes down on lady's left arm. All right, hop, tap. Okay, so once more, the lady is helping the man with the hand, so she should actually take side long step. So we take a basic step, but we change direction side long, so that the change of the hand is more visible. We just want to express it in a very nice way. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now the man taking a step. Put the lady's right hand on the neck, and we make a wave. Look, first head, but not like this, but as if we were diving. Tap, and then, look, hop, tap. And lady at the same time is just taking a basic step. So when we are on a forward leg, we put the hand over man's head, and later we have such a holding like this. So let's start from the very beginning of this sequence. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wave, 1, 2, 3, 4. We wind the lady to ourselves like this. Hop, hop. So how to do it? Actually, we take a left leg forward, lady right one, and the lady, when taking a step, is winding to the position of the basket. Like this. So we need to finish in such a holding. So we will show you in this way. Step forward. We make a window here. Lady's right hand is going down and the leg tap, and we are in such a position, and I can go backward. Look. Step, tap, and we finish the basic step. So we are here, look, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we go backward right leg, 7, 8, And now left leg forward. Hop, hop. And we unwind the lady. Bump, bump. All right, so maybe once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. Look. 7, 8 and left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6 we wind the lady. The lady goes forward, window, tap, and right hand is here. And right leg backward, hop, 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 unwinding. All right, so maybe once more from the very beginning. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the man approaches the lady, right leg. So 5. The lady goes right leg forward, twists the body to such opening. Look. Right leg, left 1, and right to the side. It is just changing the direction. I approach the man, then I turn and place the leg. I'm back to you. And to the side, I stretch the hand to feel the time. So it was 5, 6, and on 7, 8 we turn the lady. 7, 8. So the lady from such unwinding is winding on her hand. 7, 8. And on 1, we lift the lady like this. Hop. We grab the lady. We turn the lady, the whole 8. Okay, but it will be actually the beginning of our chorus and we'll show you later on. And now from the very beginning with the counting. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And now we have just explained how to dance such a figure. So the lady is wrapped here. Look. The man take a step, we wind the lady inside. Hop. So right, left, tap, twisting. Look, right and left hands are together. Lady's right hold man's left one. So right hand is a little bit up. Okay, so maybe let's move on. So we will start with the steps. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will just have a basic step. And we will be dancing it sideways and we will change the holding. Look, we will have such high holding. We'll show you this way. So we had hop, hop, and then hop, unwinding, and we change the hand. So the lady takes backward step, tap, and this is the same actually, but sideways. Do not do it like this. It is like as if you wanted to touch the lady's hip. All right, so going back, hop, tap, look. Bum, 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 bum. And then man takes right leg forward, tap over man's hand, left leg backward, left tap. And the lady is just taking a basic step, but she has to actually change the direction. So look, the lady goes forward, tap, we change direction, but doesn't get back to the same place, but we turn and land on the other side. So now we have right tap, left tap, the lady turns, hop, tap, left tap, and we change our hands. So we have such holding, the lady's right hand and man's left one. So we stay here, and man, right leg forward, right, hop, left, hop, right, tap, left, hop. Okay, and now back to you. Look, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, grab, right tap, left tap, right hop, left again, right hop, left hop, right tap. Okay, let's get back. So, right hop, left hop, lady turns. And now the last moment. 7, 8 and left leg. So, left tap, right tap, and right leg. Changing places. Right and opening, and ladies right leg and hand. Yeah, to the side hop. So men, right, left one at the same place. And we make such a place. Yeah, so look, 5, 6, and right hand leads the lady outside. 7, and on 8 we grab the lady's hip, like this. 7, 8, we bend the knees, and we lift the lady, and we turn her the whole 8. But we will show you during our next lesson. Alright, and maybe now let's dance one more time with the counting. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And we have just finished the first stanza. And now we will move on to the chorus.